flywheel and pressure plate resurface, dump truck. Yan po yung resurface natin yan. Nakabuhos na ng clutch lining. Yan po. Dump truck. Isuzu. Flywheel and pressure plate resurface. Meron po flywheel, dump truck. Isuzu. Resurface. Salamat boss yan.